Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to salute on Mickey Mouse the Clubhouse. If everyone who likes or hates this show, I'll respect your opinion, and as you respect mine. Okay, let's start the salute. Mickey Mouse the Clubhouse. Yes, this show rocks. And this show involves 6 characters, and they like to go on awesome adventures together. Daisy is a really cute duck, and so does Donald. Goofy and Poodle are dogs, and they're really cute. Mickey and Minnie are really cute too. The plots of the show are pointful. The animations are awesome. The theme song is awesome. And do you know who likes this show? Me. And I don't know who hates this show. So Mickey Mouse the Clubhouse rules. And plus, on my intro, it has I made an intro of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse clock that it plays music. I also love that clock too. And I also made an intro of it. So Mickey Mouse the Clubhouse rules. And so does the Shiny Show. Oogie Love sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check end of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.